Welcome to Corp Origin. In this video, we learn business lessons from Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors, an Indian automotive manufacturer with two primary divisions. First, Royal Enfield, a legendary motorcycle brand known for its classic retro-styled motorcycles. Another division is VECV, Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles, a joint venture with Volvo Trucks producing commercial vehicles like trucks and buses. Eicher Motors' journey is a story of transformation from a struggling conglomerate to a focused automotive powerhouse. Key milestones include acquisition of Enfield India. This strategic move in 1994 laid the foundation for the revival of the iconic Royal Enfield brand. Revival of Royal Enfield. The company meticulously restored the brand's heritage, modernized its motorcycle, and expanded its global reach. Joint venture with Volvo. This partnership created VECV, a leading commercial vehicles manufacturer in India. Some of the game-changing years for Royal Enfield are: in 1948, Eicher Good Earth founded. In 1994, acquisition of Enfield India. In 2008, joint venture with Volvo Trucks to form VECV. Royal Enfield primarily focused on the Indian market with growing global presence for Royal Enfield. After that, they expanding its international footprint, especially in Asia and Europe. Question is that how Eicher Motors become one of the dominant player in Indian market, what challenges they faced and how they tackle them down. Eicher Motors focused in some key areas like strategic focus, shifting from a diversified conglomerate to a focused automotive player. Brand revival, reselecting the iconic Royal Enfield brand, capitalizing on its heritage and emotional appeal. Strategic partnerships, leveraging partnership with global leaders like Volvo for technology and market access. Product innovation, developing modern motorcycle while retaining the classic Royal Enfield design and character. Brand building, cultivating a strong brand identity and community around Royal Enfield. Global expansion, strategically entering new market and adapting product to local preferences. Operational excellence, improving manufacturing processes and supply chain management. Eicher Motors get challenges from intense competition, facing stiff competition from both domestic and international players in the motorcycle and commercial vehicle segment. Maintaining brand exclusivity, balancing growth with preserving the brand's exclusivity and premium image. Meeting rising customer expectations, adapting to evolving customer preferences and technological advancement. Company need to more investment on product. Some of the key business lessons which we learn from Eicher Motors are: focus and specialization, concentrating on core strength and niche market can lead to greater success. Strategic partnership, collaborating with the right partners can accelerate growth and provide access to new opportunities. Focus on heritage and community, building a strong emotional connection with customers through brand experience and a dedicated community. Long-term vision, building a sustainable business required a long-term perspective and a commitment to continuous improvement. I believe that understanding these key aspects of Eicher Motors' success, you can learn valuable lessons about strategic decision making, brand building, and navigating the challenges of a competitive market. Thank you for watching this video.